Making peanut besan laddu. This is grind peanut and milk. See, absorbed already. 1 hour later. Keep on stirring, guys. And on the fire. On the fire and medium heat. And keep on stirring until it's done. Almost done, guys. I already put the grind coconut and sugar. Now next is the toast besan after sometimes. Here guys, my besan laddu. Now my besan laddu is done.